Hey everyone, Larry with Yamaha Can-Am Las Vegas coming to you with another one of our videos. We're really excited. We have a brand new model to roll out and to show to you that we just got in. Also remember, if you like these videos, please subscribe below, show us a little bit of love, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on the video, and let us know what you're thinking out there. So behind me, we have our brand new Maverick X3 XRS MAX with the smart locker. It's gonna be our black with our Can-Am red frame and accents. It looks amazing. It looks even better in person. When it was up on the website, I was personally a little iffy on it, but in person it looks really good. Highly recommend that you come down, take a look at them. They are going fast though, so give us a call before you head down. Make sure we have one, 702-260-3366, and let's take a look at this car and go through some of the features. So what makes this vehicle right here so special is something that you really can't see. It's going to be the smart locker front differential. And what that means is this car does not use the Visco lock that prior Can-Ams used. They took the smart locker out of the XRC, the Rock Crawler edition, and put it into your XRS. This gives you the ability to use true four-wheel drive locked in at all times, or you could also use the smart locker technology where the system will lock itself and unlock itself in a blink of an eye, so you still get the great steering feel, but not without the sacrifice of losing that true four-wheel drive. It makes the car abilities to climb steeper angles, rocks, things of that nature a lot easier without slipping the belt and heating up the belt to a point to possible failure. So it's a really big improvement. It's one of the things that most people have complained about across the board with side-by-sides from all brands other than Yamaha. Yamaha is one of the first to always have a full locking differential, but now that comes over to the Can-Am side and people are ecstatic about it, and so are we. So other than the smart locker technology, the car itself is going to be the same as all the other XRSs. Fox 2.5s up front, 3.0s in the rear, 22 inches of travel all the way through, 172 horsepower out of an inline 3-cylinder motor, turbocharged, intercooled. Of course, the 30-inch tires, bead locked. The only other difference from your XRS model we touched on in the beginning of the video is the color scheme. We have our triple black with the Can-Am red accent and cage. Car looks amazing. So with that all being said, guys, please don't forget, subscribe down below, like the video, and come down and see us. We're a dealership here in Las Vegas, and if you happen to be in town or a fellow Las Vegasan, please come in and come see us, come say hi. We'll talk to you guys soon.